Hello and welcome to this special video on making changes and achieving different results. Nick here with freedomlifebusiness.com, hoping your life is filled with happiness and prosperity. There is a problem that many of us face in our lives. See, we expect different outcomes merely by repeating the same action over and over again. It's a problem that can leave us feeling frustrated and disappointed. It's true that practice and repetition are important to mastering a skill or activity. However, if you're doing exactly the same thing today as you did yesterday, then tomorrow won't be any different. If you want to see a positive change in your life and make real progress, then you will have to take positive actions and make positive changes. You could start out by breaking down your tasks into smaller chunks and focus on those. This way, you can make it easier for yourself to focus on completing small goals on the journey to achieving larger ambitions. Most importantly, don't forget to celebrate each and every milestone you've achieved. It's also important to consider the routine habits that are holding you back from achieving your sought-after goals. You must identify these practices, both good and bad, and then decipher through them and decide whether or not to keep them or abandon them. Changes don't happen overnight. Instead, it's a process, so it's important to be consistent and be persistent in making changes no matter how small. Don't forget that recognizing successes and accomplishment is equally as important. Acknowledging your efforts, even when the results may not be relevant to what you expected, will help you keep motivated and make it easier to keep moving forward and marching towards your dreams. So if you're looking to make positive changes in your life, remember that repeating the same action won't lead to different results. It all comes down to taking positive steps towards making change that you want to see. If you are open to making positive changes in your life and want different results than what you've been getting and would like to see what we do to achieve positive changes, take a look at my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com, and opt in to watch our presentation video for more details. Looking forward to helping you achieve your goals and hope to see you on the other side. Remember to always go for your dreams and stay healthy, my friends. God bless and bye for now.